everybody, welcome back. So, remember this? The purple monster, the flake finish. Well, like I've said in other videos, I am not good at bursting, and I think this came out freaking horrible. So, I'm calling it quits on the flake. And I'm going to try something new for me. Or maybe I've just been watching too many Texas Toast Guitars videos. Matt, you're a bad influence. Let me take it down the bench to show you what I'm going to try to do. Alright, I'm going to try to do my first fabric top guitar. I'm going to sand the whole damn thing down again. And probably just end up painting the back black. Going to end up routing it for some binding. And I got some fabrics here, and I want to show them to you guys. You can tell me what you think. So, keeping with the purple theme, here's number 1. I think that's pretty cool. That's 1. So I went down to Joann's Fabrics, and you can buy these things for under $3 each. So it's pretty reasonable. Plus the wife had a 40% off coupon, so all these pieces of fabric cost me like $9. We got this one, which starts out back here, sort of purpley pinkish, and then goes into a blue. That's pretty neat. That's probably one of my favorites right there. Got this one. This one's green and black. I'm not really too sure how I feel about this one, although I do like the color of the green. I might think this one would go this way. That's pretty cool. Here, let me give you a close-up shot of that so you can see it better. I'll do that with the other ones too. This is the first one. It's pretty neat. One that's pink faded to blue. It's this one. It's like a Hawaiian shirt. I'd wear that. Got this one here. It's got like some filigree and some skulls on it. Everybody loves skulls. That would be pretty cool. And this last one I picked up just because I thought it was fun. This one was in the bargain basement. Chili peppers. That's pretty neat. Cinco de Mayo guitar. So anyway, still going to be giving this guitar away. We're just going to change the theme up. We're getting rid of all this frickin' metal flake. God, I can't tell you how much time I put into laying clear coat on this thing over the top of this this flake. It was like trying to clear over 80 grit sandpaper. It's just crazy. I think for my first attempt at a fabric top guitar, I'm gonna go with this one. This is really cool. Like I said, if this was a Hawaiian shirt, I'd wear it. Kind of like that. We'll rot it for some white or some cream binding. Oh, I got one more. It's buried over here on the bench. This one's different shades of brown. That's pretty cool. So, tell me, what do you think? You got the brown. You got the purple that fades into blue. Not too sure about the chili peppers. We got the filigree and the skulls. Got this green sucker, kind of looks like dragon scales. Pretty neat. And we have this marbled purple, which also pretty neat. So, what would be your choice? We got this brown flowery job. We got this pink, purple, and blue. I kind of like that one. Chili peppers, I don't even know if I'd even do guitar with that. It's just, I thought it was fun. The marbled purple. It's a little more purple than it looks in the video. This green and black looks really cool. Or the filigree and skulls. Like I said, this is still going to be a giveaway guitar. So you guys pick the fabric, since I'm just giving it away. So down in the comments, let me know. So this is my first attempt at this, but of course you gotta have the weenie roller. Just like saying weenie roller. My wife was with me in Home Depot when I went and got this. And I go, I need a weenie roller. She goes, a what? And like after I picked it up, like every 5 minutes I go, weenie roller? She got mad at me. She made me leave. Anyway, vote down in the comments. What do you think? Which one would you pick? Until the next video. You guys behave yourself. Peace. Weenie roller.